Oh well, busy again. Making small parts for this guy from this guy. What am I talking about? Oh, gotta phone the Pentagon. Where's our dial? Oh, it's not a dial phone. I thought I had a dial phone here. Oh, I do. eBay seller in Ukraine. I got that from. Okay, so. Whoa. I was contemplating making a battle bridge. Up there. Now, how to get all this stuff up there? Someday. I think I put a steel plate on those two posts on the cargo containers. Can mount the Oerlikon cannon up there. Could I weld let's see, a beam here. This is really solid. It would go up with that kind of arrangement. But with a swivel so I can move everything around and place it. I don't know how much weight these things are supposed to handle. But it's totally bare up there now. And I have this area here too. Aha! So, planning ahead. Got a ladder up there. There's nothing up there. Make a great battle bridge. After all, I turned an apartment into a ship. Totally. So this guy would be very heavy. Have to take it apart again. That part could fit on a steel rim plate. So then I have all this. Oh, God Almighty! Aha! Have all these mounts to put together too. I'm so lazy, aren't I? That's for a 50 Browning. I only got Oerlikon cannons. I got display 50 caliber Brownings. I have an NG42 dual mount. Should I put this on the battle bridge? Oh my God. Oh, oh, oh. Oh God. Oh well. I always say something to do. That would be a beast to move. I already had it apart and cleaned everything inside of it. Well, yeah. The only thing I got up there is this satellite dish. There's a lot of square footage up there. Yeah, totally nuts I am. I love it. Insane. Miniature machine shop in here with a sewing machine in the back. Deck 2. Kind of another machine area. But anyway, here's my ladder. Like to get a ship's ladder. Should have got one when I was we're taking apart warships. Wow. Madness, insanity has its privileges. So I got all this stuff that would be good for the battle bridge. These, yeah. How many of these things I got? Quite a number of them. More of these. These could stay down here, of course. Battle bridge steering system, kinda. I'm getting tired already thinking of all this stuff. Hard a starboard, Captain! Ha! Thanks to my good friend in Massachusetts. I got all these green radios. The only other person that's not as sane as I am is in Massachusetts somewhere. Beams and structures. I wonder how many feet that. Well, I'll work out the square footage. 10 and 20, yeah. Wow. It's all a matter of engineering. I got all this stuff to deal with someday too. How in the hell can you display it properly? I don't know. Because all these crates are totally full of Civil War stuff. Cannons and other things. Yeah, I know. I've got to put this guy together someday. I got one already together. Forget it. This is a form of insanity. Yeah, well, it's fun. This one's already together. It's perfect for what I'm doing here. Well, it took a while. It's all machine tools. I can squeeze around and do stuff. That's 9,000 pound lathe. Big monster, anyway. Sorta. They're bigger. I use this milling machine and several milling machines back there. I got drill presses. Was I going back there? Oh, yeah, I was. I'll have to edit the video for Mr. Pete. I can do that. That's why I got up to, I promised Mr. Pete, show him something. Yeah, so we make your way in. Hand-operated milling machine down on the floor there. A vintage turn of the century lathe. It's actually very good condition. Here we keep moving along. Let's call it a miniature section. Okay, what did I want to talk about? Okay. Height gauges. I'll say. This is where I edit off. I'll do this now. Fully enjoyed your video, Mr. Pete. I have these here, these height gauges. They're rather big. I have smaller ones. I have one of these. I'll zoom in here. For balancing armatures or something like that. But I have this height gauge. If I can zoom in. Yeah, see, I'm using an iPad and it's very hard to use. This thing is extremely heavy. And you got your micrometer up here. This goes down, you adjust it. Goes through here. Another adjustment, and then you measure from this table here something. I mean, this thing is so heavy. What else is here? Yeah, there's other controls here. This moves it up and down. What else we got in here? Another adjustment. And this very flat anvil here, kind of. It's movable too. Now, since iPad's not cooperating or working properly, for clarity, I'm going to have to take a photo of this and use that as the start of the video. The last one I was talking about height gauges. I do believe. This is a bigger one, as I mentioned before. Big fella. I have a few smaller ones, but anyway, I'll take a picture of this. And explain it, sort of. Thanks for watching. Let's see the other end here. And we have a turret type drilling machine. Table and big massive thing here. Kind of like a circular table, it moves in all directions. And then we have a massive drill, hand drill.